I was hanging out in the shrieking shack, but now I'm never going back. Now I've got friends here, that's right. We're standing tall and smiling wide. At Hogwarts, it's true, we rule the school, and you can never be as cool as you are with marauders at your side, standing tall and smiling wide. I was a teenage werewolf, doing the best that I can, but no one understands the evil in our veins, cut short my say. I've got a furry little problem. I was reminded by Owl Question 10. We're watching the sky for the moonlight. You get too close and I might bite. Lycanthropy is at the top of my resume. Unless I'm howling, I never know what to say. I'm licking my wounds, you know it's true. I cannot hide that I fell for you. I was a teenage werewolf, doing the best that I can. Wanna hold your hand, but evil in our veins, cut short our say. I was a teenage werewolf. I was a teenage werewolf. I was a teenage werewolf. I was a teenage